Hey guys, my name is Kaila Kake. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are an OG subscriber. Shout out to you. Alright, so let's get into the video. I'm going to be doing a get ready with me with my makeup and just chatting to you guys. But really quick, I want to show y'all my new pickups with fragrances. How to smell like a baddie on a budget. Yes, I said it. On a budget. So y'all know fragrances can be really expensive. So shout out to Dossier for sending me over some of their designer inspired fragrances. So they are a luxury fragrance inspired brand. So you'll get the same exact scent, the same exact longevity as a designer fragrance, which I'm like, I love it. And it's at a way better price point, a fraction of the price. So who doesn't love that? So when you open the box, you get your fragrance, you get a sample fragrance, and you get an info card. So this one is called Floral Pear, and it is inspired by Jo Malone, which we all know is a cult favorite. Everyone loves Jo Malone fragrances. So your purchase is 100% risk-free. They send you a trial size, which means you can test out this one before you open the big one. If you don't like it, you can send it back, no questions asked. But if you ended up loving it, then you have a full size of your new favorite fragrance. So I love that they do that. Ooh, that smells so like fresh and welcoming, and this is definitely a daytime scent. I love this. I'll put the notes here on the screen, but I love that it has woody notes, musk and amber. That is my jam. Anything that has some musk in it, some amber, or anything woody is like, it's going to speak to me automatically. I already know I'm going to like it, so I'm pretty sure that's why I like this one. So this one is citrus green apple, and this one is inspired by Dolce & Gabbana light blue, and I know a lot of people love this fragrance, so I was super excited to pick this one up as well. Ooh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh. That smells amazing. Oh my goodness. So this one is very fresh, a little powdery, and it also has like a sweet but soft approach. Oh my goodness, it smells so good, y'all. Woo, that smells good. Okay, next one. This is Woody Sandalwood, and it's inspired by Santal 33. And a lot of you guys were giving me some fragrance recommendations. So I actually took those and then went onto Dossier's website and then picked out from there, because again, they have the fragrances that smell exactly like the ones you guys recommended. So I wanted to pick up the more affordable version just to give you guys also a little tea on what's the most like sought after fragrances, which ones did everybody like, which ones did you get, which ones should you try. This smells so good. This is like a woody, sweet, ambery scent. It smells so good. It smells kind of like seductive in a way as well. Like, oh, this one, it smells so good. The next one is Gourmand White Flowers, and this is inspired by Flower Bomb, which a lot of people rave about, so I had to try it out for myself. I actually went to smell this in Sephora, so y'all gonna get my first impression of if it really smells exactly like the actual Flower Bomb. Y'all, oh my goodness. This smells just like Flower Bomb, number one. But number two, this smells amazing. Amazing. I think if you really love body sprays, and if you really love smelling kind of sweet but also fresh, this is for you. The notes on here describe it perfectly. So if you can imagine and just put all of those notes together, this is exactly what it smells like. It definitely has some green tea, which gives it the freshness. The caramel and vanilla base notes are definitely there, so they give that sweet, and then again that fresh, and then the middle notes are flowers, all flowers. So it has all of that just like mixed together. This smells amazing. So I think you guys will really like this one. So the last one, I'm so sad this is coming to an end because I could smell these fragrances all day. I love fragrance smelling, especially now that I'm super into it. I just want to smell everything. I want to try everything. I'm just obsessed. So the next one is Floriental Almond, and I actually got this recommendation from one of my subscribers. She actually has this and she said it smells so good. So I trusted you, girl, and we're going to try it out to see if I like it. And this one is inspired by Carolina Herrera Good Girl. So I've never smelled that before, but my girls say it smelled good, so you know we have to try it out. Ooh, she was right. She was right. This smells very warm, a little fresh, a little sweet, but I think this will definitely be a nighttime scent because I just pull warm from it. And the warmth is probably coming from the tonka bean, the vanilla, and the cocoa. All of those together are just like warm scents. So now I have to pick one to wear because, like I said, I am getting ready in this video, so I don't know which one I'm going to wear. Basically, I'm pretty much wearing them all because I sprayed them and they all landed in my lap. So I guess I'm gonna just smell like all of them tonight, but I can't even pick a favorite. They all smelled amazing. So definitely check out Dossier, guys. Everything will be down below in the description box. I just want to come and show you guys my new fragrances. They also have a Valentine's Day giveaway going on, so definitely go enter. I'll leave the rules down below in the description box so you guys can enter and win you some perfumes. And you can go back to this video and my other Dossier videos and check out all of my recommendations. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the get ready with me portion where I do my makeup and I talk to you guys and all that good stuff. So let's get into it. All right, I just pinned my hair back. I did flex around my hair last night. I did film it. I know y'all have been wanting me to film this flexi rod video for so long, and I finally caved because I was just like, okay, fine, I'll do it. Literally so many people asked about it on that one Instagram reel that I did. That girl, that joint took off. It did some numbers. So I am deciding to finally film it for you guys. I'm actually filming a reel as well too, but it's not like as detailed as the video will be, but like you'll basically get the gist in the Instagram reel, but the video, it just details like all the products that I use and like why I do what I do and stuff like that, so you guys can get the same results. Also, if you do decide to flex ride your hair, make sure you tag me because I want to see it. I want to see what's going on. I want to see how it looks. So yeah, I'm about to get into my makeup. I actually ran out of my foundation, so I have been using the Cover FX Power Play, and this used to be my jam. It is a little bit too dark for me, but I can make it work. I do have some breakouts. I have like 2 over here, which is weird because my skin has been doing so good lately. I've been so surprised with my skin. Like, it's been doing really, really good, but you know, we got 2 rebels over here, so we're just gonna cover that right on up. I really need to head to Ulta and grab some more of my L'Oreal Fresh Wear foundation. I really love that foundation. It just always looks so good. I've always been like a drugstore queen when it comes to makeup for some reason. Well, not all of my makeup is drugstore, but like my foundations, for some reason I always am drawn towards drugstore foundations. They just be good. They just be hitting, especially the Maybelline Fit Me. So I used to use that all the time, and I stopped using it just because I just want to try different foundations and stuff. But y'all, that foundation is so good. Maybe I'll get that one too. Something I need to get more of, this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is so good. I love it. I also pair it with a different concealer just to give me a little more brightness. But if I'm just going for something natural, then I'll only use this. I feel like my nose contour has been really, really popping lately. And it's because I've been using this little slanted brush. It's from BH Cosmetics. I got this like 11,000 years ago. But it just fits like right into that spot where I like contour my nose at. Then I just drag it under my eyebrow, and it's been looking so good lately. And I'm just gonna blend it out, make sure it's all snatched and stuff. I'm wearing the Skims bodysuit, y'all. This one is so good. I actually have bought what was it? I had bought the turtleneck sleeveless ones. I did not like those. I returned those, and then I bought the scoop neck ones. Didn't really like it, returned those. And then I bought these. These are just like, I don't even remember what they're called, but they're so good. I had the black one, and then I have this brown one. Top tier. I've also been blending my contour out a little differently lately. So I blend the top out, and as you can see, I'm kind of leaving the bottom. So I blend the top out just to make sure that is nice and flawless. And then for the bottom part, I blend it out separately, and I don't know why. But that's just what I've been doing lately. Don't mind me. But yeah, I just blend it out separately. I guess I'm just trying to like control where it goes more, because usually it'll just kind of go everywhere and kind of get down here sometimes when I really don't want it down there. Then I'm adding some of this Hourglass Vanish concealer, I believe it's called. Yeah, the Vanish concealer. This one I use to like just brighten it up, and especially when I'm going for like a beat, which is kind of what I'm going for today. So you know, this my jam. And I wanted to brighten it up too because, like I said, my foundation is a little bit too dark. So just to kind of like balance it out and make it look right, I guess. And then I take the excess concealer and I just try to like cut right under here, like where the bronzer, where I don't want the bronzer to be. And also I have this little like pocket of whatever, like maybe just fat or something in my cheek, and it kind of affects the way my contour looks. So I just try to make that look like as possible, but it don't really be working because as you can see, the natural shadow, there's like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah. And then for my nose, I pinch and then just try to keep it as skinny as possible. I've really been trying to perfect my makeup lately, like my makeup method. I don't know why, because I'm not like a makeup YouTuber or anything, but like for some reason I just be wanting my face to look just the ultimate snatched, okay, you know? So I've been trying to just perfect my techniques lately and also like try new techniques. And then I'm gonna blend the edges. I'm just tapping in one spot. I'm not moving it or anything because I don't want to blend the concealer too much over the contour because I put the contour there for a reason. So just trying to blend the edges by tapping it. I'm gonna take my contour brush one more time and just blend the edges of the contour where the concealer is and stuff. I feel like I dragged it down a little bit too low, but I just want to make sure that, you know, it's nice and blended. I didn't take any extra contour though, so. And also where I cut it, I just want to blend that out too, just so it's not like, you know, like harsh looking. All right, I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier. This is my girl. I don't think I've ever used any other like powder. Well, I have, but I mean like in a long time. I don't think I've really used any other powder like in years. Yeah, I really wish I had something to talk about, but I wanted to film and get ready with me, and then I sat down and was like, girl, you ain't got nothing to talk about. Like, what's going on with you? Like, what's going on in your life? Really nothing, honestly. Like, I'm just trying to like get ahead as far as YouTube videos go. So I've been filming so much lately because I keep finding myself like falling behind, and I just don't want to do that anymore. So I said to myself, girl, you are going to get ahead and you're going to plan, you're going to be prepared, all that good stuff, because you never know what may happen. Also for my eyelids, I have been wiping off the foundation that gets on it because I've been kind of liking how it looks a little darker. It kind of looks like I have on like eyeshadow, but I really don't. What the all right, I'm gonna take my Sephora Micro Smooth in this big fluffy okay, I'm gonna take my Sephora Micro Smooth and this big fluffy brush by Real Techniques. I think someone asked me where this brush was from. This brush is so old, okay? So I'm pretty sure they still have it though. All right, and then Fenty bronzer in the color Islanding. And this big fluffy brush is a Sonia Kashuk brush that I got a long time ago. It was like one of her little holiday collections and it was on sale at Target, and I was broke in college and I saw the on sale sign and I was like, oh, I'm buying that. So I bought this and like a bunch of other brushes, but I don't know where the other ones were and I can only find this one. So yeah, I just been using this for like literally years. I actually need to wash my brushes. Maybe that's why I'm breaking out. I don't know. Then I squeeze the brush and I just hit my nose, like right where I put the contour. Y'all, please ignore this man walking hard as shit upstairs. Like, what? Before he moved in, they was working on his floors and stuff, and they were extra loud. So I'm just trying to figure out what was y'all working on, because his floors still sound terrible. Like, I don't know what y'all was doing up there, but it ain't work. All right, and I'm gonna just add some blush. This blush is from ColourPop, I believe. I got this so long ago. It's not even like in the packaging. It's just the little pan. But I've really been liking a lot of blush lately. Just, I feel like it just makes you look so alive. And every time I see like people doing little makeup reels and stuff, every time they add the blush, it's like when my heart just skips a beat. I don't know what it is. I never used to like blush, but now I just can't. I can't live without it. It's just the cutest thing ever. All right, I'm gonna do my brows. I have been doing them also a little differently. So that's why I really wanted to come and show you guys, because they have been looking so good to me. Well, yeah, to me. So y'all let me know. Do you like my brows now or what? But yeah, okay. So I only got this much product left. That's crazy. Okay, so what I've been doing is I haven't been drawing my lines like I usually do, because y'all know I used to outline the hell out of my brows and then fill it in like I was coloring in kindergarten. Yeah. So now I have been really loving the fluffy trend that everyone is doing. So now I just do little hair strokes. And then when it comes to the top, I just try to shape it again just by doing the little hair strokes. And then for the front part, I do extend it and make them a little closer together because I feel like they're so wide. Well, not wide, but just not close together. All right, so here's one brow. I haven't cleaned it up yet, so don't judge me, girl. Okay, but we're gonna clean it up and it's gonna look popping. So just trust me. All right, I'm gonna use some of my concealer and then this little like slanted brush. And I'm just gonna clean it up. I feel like I haven't done my brows on camera in a little bit, or have I? I don't even remember. When is the last time I filmed to get ready with me? That's the question. I know y'all probably like, girl, where you at? Come talk to us. Like, come have fun with us. I don't even know what the heck I've been uploading. I've just been so out of it. Oh my God, and now he's vacuuming. Like, what are you vacuuming? You have hardwood floors. What's funny is I really remember the days where I really thought I was gonna be a beauty guru. Like, who? Not me. I really thought I was gonna be a whole beauty guru. Like, girl, what? I mean, at the end of the day, you can do whatever you put your mind to. But I had to be realistic with myself and be like, girl, you don't even know how to do eyeshadow. Like, I was really trying hard doing my eyeshadow, just trying to be a beauty guru. But that's really all you saw on YouTube back then anyways, was beauty videos. Okay, so now that that is all said and done, I'm going to use my, what is this? Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. I lied. Let me do my mascara first. This is the Fenty Beauty one. I like this one, but I feel like I have to do so many coats just for it to look the way that I personally want my lashes to look. Also kind of like more drier mascaras. This one isn't very creamy, so I kind of wanted to like dry out a little bit more, and I feel like it'll be perfect. I'm also trying to film a Instagram reel while I'm doing this get ready with me, so it'll be like my everyday makeup reel, so you guys will probably see it on the gram soon. All right, now I'm gonna do my lips. I'm just using a brown lip liner. This one's from Milani, and then I'm just gonna use a clear gloss. All right, and then the clear gloss I'm using is from Ulta. This is their juice infused lip oil. And boom, there we go. Your girl is cute again. Ooh, okay. So here's my hair. I feel like my flexi brows didn't really come out as defined this time, but you know what? That's okay, because I be wanting them to fall anyways, just to be a little looser. So I'm actually not that mad at it. Looks pretty good. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to check out Dossier as well as enter their giveaway for Valentine's Day, and all the rules and stuff will be down below in the description box, so do not forget. And I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.